SEM Group mainly is active on the packaging, and SEM Biotech is the new division of SEM Plastik, which is producing sterile vacuum blood collection tubes. In this highly changing environment, you have to stick to the best on the market and to try to produce the best.
We got a request from SEM Plastik for this blood tube application, and we should be offering some hot runners and controllers for this application. Once we had the first meeting, we understood that we can even give more value to SEM Plastik through our other solutions, especially with our system solution. Yeah, this project popped up.
Specifically with our equipment, we are able to provide the highest output for a blood collection tube system and to match that with Advantage Plus Elite, our continuous monitoring system that allows us to maintain our commitment during the entire life cycle of the equipment.
ICHOR combines breakthrough technologies for blood tube injection molding operating at cycle times previously unseen. By bringing together exceptional performance and quality, ICHOR delivers fast returns for cost-focused producers.
There is one single point that stands out, is that both SEM Biotech and Husky had the same vision to be the best in the medical industry.
We found out that ICHOR systems from Husky and the molds from ICHORTM are the best ones that we can get in the market, which is just the right idea, just the right philosophy that we want to achieve our vision on to be the most responsible company on the blood collection tubes production for human health.